Well, my name is Jim Brown. I'm the general manager at Tonkin Acura, and I've been at this location since 1999. Been general manager since 2009, and I've been with the Tonkin family of dealerships since 1988. I got involved in the automotive industry. It's a family thing. My dad was a dealer way back in the day, and he ended up selling his dealership, and so I came to work for the Tonkins, and it's been a lovely arrangement ever since. Well, there's always problems to solve, but I think some of the big problems that we were looking for is how to maintain our relevance with our clients, how to stay in front of our clients all the time, how to retain them, keep them coming back in, and then also look for growth in the service area. TVI Market Pro3 was referred to us by a sister store within our organization who also had good luck with the program. So we went on their recommendation, and we called, and it works. The factors that make TVI stand out, I think, number one, you can get lots of products similar to this in the marketplace, but it's always the people that make the difference. And we found that the people with TVI really make a huge difference because they're good, they're educated, they know what they're talking about, they have real world experience, and they'll be in your dealership working with you. Most vendors, you sign them up and they're gone, you don't see them for a long time. Not TVI, these guys, I think we have to give them employee numbers, they're here so much. Some of the key benefits we've seen from Market Pro3, it's helped us retain the service business that we have. We know that on a regular basis, our message is getting out to our clients. Our Market Pro3 people sit down with us and help us plan our marketing in advance. It's always relevant and it's always targeted. So we feel like it's always a good spend, and then we can measure that return on investment with their reports. Their reporting is pretty darn good. Their attribution, I think, is probably as solid as anything out there. TVI Market Pro3, the experience with them has been one of the best vendor experiences that I can say I've had in a long time. And again, it goes back to the people that are involved. And also, their product is good. So we've got great people with a great product, and that's a good combination.